get drunk now as much as you want. We have tequila, we have whiskey, we have ladies drink, we have wine. And then of course, mid portion, we will go back to old memories. We will have a presentation of our last pictures. George will bring you back to memory lane. Okay? So, nandito, dala ko yung laptop, dala ko yung projector. So, okay. Wait. Yung excuse me, help yourself. You can open any bottle you want there. Okay, don't know, boy. Yung corner. May tequila doon, then meron din lime, meron salt, whiskey, ladies drink, so. Okay, so